Coastal Home and Garden. I am going to do a tropical garden tour today of all my different tropicals that we have here, and yeah, go over all my tropical plants. So we'll start kind of over here with this Australian fern. This is like a little baby fern that I grew, and now it does this beautiful canopy right here, and I love it because it gets super hot here in the summer and it really tries to shade, although it is killing my grass. Little hibiscus there and a plumeria plant. Obviously it's winter right now, so there's no leaves. This is a heliconia, my rain barrel. But this is a yellow heliconia. They're the iris version. Really pretty. But yeah, they basically self-seed, and you can see like a new one's coming up right there. This is a Montgomery palm. Or I'm sorry, Mackenzie palm. And so is this one. It is, I did not expect these to get this big, but yeah, they get really tall. And again, gives it a nice canopy right here, which I really love. This is a lady palm. My neighbor gave me that. It was not doing very well in her pot over there, and so I planted it here and it is thriving. So kind of got to trim this up. These will get out of control. They'll start to pull in. You can see like they'll start rooting a baby up everywhere if you don't keep on it. So Hawaiian Thai kind of snuck in there a little bit. These are doing really well. We got a frost like right around Christmas, and you'll see from some of my other ones that they did not weather so well. There's some orchids back there and there in the pond, and some bamboos. These ferns have volunteered, and along with those ferns I did put those succulents in there. They're just seem to be really happy. That's a little pitcher plant. It's not doing very good. I don't know if it's just getting a beating there or what it is, but it's not doing very well. Yucca plant there. That's just from a cutting from one of my neighbors. Some coleus. And then again, that plumeria's Hawaiian Thai and these amazing Mackenzie palms. These are fishtail palms. These will get completely out of control as well. I've already had to cut quite a few down. And you can see the females throw these seedling things that are crazy. And I just have some bromeliads I put up here around the pond here, another orchid. More bromeliads. I kind of have them all down the fence by my garden beds. We have zoysia grass. It's kind of in its dormant stage right now, so it's not looking really good. This is called a Hawaiian umbrella tree, or Shufrella. They are so cool. This thing was only like a foot tall when I bought it. We had Hurricane Irma a couple years ago. It totally like cut it off, and it's thriving. It's doing really well. Another plumeria, bird of paradise, and you can see getting ready to get these amazing blooms. They're really, really cool when they do come out. This is a spindle palm right here. These are Christmas palms. Love those. These are definitely my favorite, these two here. They are all self pruning, so you don't really have to trim those. They will just kind of fall off when they're ready. This is more bird of paradise here. Triangle palm, which is awesome. I've got some more bromeliads here. I just kind of stuck there, and I even got an orchid to attach to it. When I first started that, I just twined it up, and now it's rooted on there quite well. It looks good. These are iris plant, and they're really cool too. They'll self seed, or self plant. I guess they don't really seed, and then so these will get out of control. You kind of have to cut these back, and then right here you'll see these ones died back, but that's generally where a new one will come, and you can pull that out and replant them as well. They're pretty cool. More variegated chevrolet, more bird of paradise, more of the Christmas palms, which I love. More, this is the icicle coleus. These vines grow in here like crazy. So just gonna pull those so they die back. More Hawaiian Thai. The bird of paradise will get out of control too if you don't take care of it. More spindle palms with some bromeliads. These are foxtail palms. I'll give you a better look because they're huge. Massive. And some different coleus here and variegated chevrolas. I got a lemon tree, which is doing great. Those are cattail palms. They're really good for privacy. More Hawaiian Thai. Christmas palms. More cat palms. Kind of give you a little bit of privacy, and they're really fast growing. So if you are looking for a fast growing palm, that's a fantastic one for privacy. This is another spindle palm. It almost looks like a little bottle palm. That one is actually a bottle palm. It grows super slow, and you can see we got a frost, like I said, right before Christmas, so some of the branches are a little brown. These are all variety by the pool here. I planted some marigolds in here and some different succulents and a little vinca, which is from like 2 years ago and it's still kicking. But I'm going to replant this with some, I'm not sure, maybe a pepper plant, something. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to put in there this year. But, and then over in this bed, it gets a little loud because it's where my pool pump is. But another variegated chevrolet and another plumeria. This one's pretty big. It's nice because it shades the pool deck a little bit. And then more of my Christmas palms. I love, they're my favorite. And then some more Hawaiian Thai. And this one's kind of kinked because I had to tie it up because it was like in the walkway and hit me in the face every time. So you can see I kind of train them and tie them where I want them to go. Same with this guy's tied. This section does pretty well for what it is. But yeah, it's really cool. This right here is a giant spindle palm. Love this tree. And this Hawaiian Thai did not do as well with the frost. You can see it kind of, there's a lot of dead leaves on there, so I'm hoping it'll come back. If not, I'll just have to get another one because I love the look of this. It's like what you see when you first walk in. Sorry, I got a hose. I've been watering. We haven't had rain in forever. And I think that's pretty much it back here. If you have any questions or any comments for me, please leave them down below. I'd really appreciate it. And I will try to get a picture when the bird of paradise opens because they're so pretty. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.